if you're really excited about what's in store for the day. Can I have a yes in the chat, please? All right. Okay. It's absolutely great to see all of you here. And all right, perfect. So I am going to start the launch event in the next 2 minutes. There are some people who wanted to join, but they're not able to join because the links got changed. So I will just wait for them to join in. And meanwhile, you can by the screen you already know that the name of the new application is going to be Stryke. And Stryke essentially means every single trade that we are going to take, and we will try to get as many strikes meaning winning trades, as possible with all the research development and all the tech infrastructure that we are trying to bring to the table. Please post the link on Discord. All right, the team will be posting the link on Discord. I'll just ask everyone to do that, and then we'll start. Meanwhile, I'll just see who all have joined in. I can see Harsh, Rishikesh, Arshad, Krish, Nehal. I can also see other people. I can see Rajat. I can see Balaji, Naman, Snehil, Tripathi. I can see Prabhanshu, Harit, Aditya. हिंदी बोलो. ओके सो मैं मिक्स्ड रखूंगा इसको. आई विल मैं इसको इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन सो दैट मैक्सिमम पीपल आर कंफर्टेबल to listen to me. Absolutely, yes. Hi Saurabh, good afternoon everybody. So perfect. I think we have more people joining in. Hi Himanshu, hi Suhani, hi CA Rider. I welcome all of you to this launch event. So I'll just meanwhile while people are joining, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि इस ऐप का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. A lot of people were asking me कि ये क्यों बनाई जा रही है, लाइक इसका क्या रीजन है, क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है. तो बीइंग अ ट्रेडर फॉर द लास्ट 8-9 years, मैंने ये देखा और समझा दैट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर वन ट्रेडर टू हैव ऑल स्टाइल्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग एम्बेडेड इन हिम. मतलब मैं सारे स्टाइल्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग एट द सेम टाइम नहीं कर सकता. मैं हमेशा एक स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रेडिंग चूज करूंगा and then I will try to execute based on that. एक और प्रॉब्लम थी दैट एग्जीक्यूशन स्पीड व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्रेडिंग वो बहुत ज्यादा कम थी इन अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रोकर्स. अब तो काफी ज्यादा अच्छे ब्रोकर्स, वी आर सीइंग गुड ब्रोकर्स कमिंग अप नाउ. तो एग्जीक्यूशन स्पीड इज काइंड ऑफ सॉर्टेड. बट जब मैंने व्हेन वी आर बिल्डिंग द स्टॉकविज कम्युनिटी, आई थिंक वी आर नाउ 8,500 members. So we figured out that a lot of people are having problems in executing the trade. A lot of people are not busy and they want a research analyst to research for them and to make their wealth creation journey a little more easy. How many of you faced the problem of not being able to execute trades on time? Can I have a yes in the chat? How many of you faced this problem of not being able to execute on time because you were not in front of the screen? A lot of times good trading ideas kind of go away just because you were not able to execute in time. And a lot of good ideas, kind of get missed away. So what we wanted to solve at Stockwiz is we wanted to fix this execution problem through technology. And we are getting India's best traders on board in the next 2 months. You will see India's top names being a part of the research team at Stockwiz, where we will get people who are specifically focused on swing trading, specifically focused on intraday trading, option buying, option selling, commodity trading, even futures, and option selling strategies like iron condors, butterfly, straddle, strangle, and much more. So what we're trying to do over here is we want to empower you with technology. हम चाहते हैं कि आप इस technology का utilization करो so that you're not only able to execute the right trades at the right time automatically without your intervention. Apart from that, you should also be knowing what's really happening in the market. So हमने इस app में we have used artificial intelligence to help you understand which stocks are moving and why are they moving. So I would tell you about that. Yes, I will tell you how exactly will the app work. So start करने से पहले I will just tell you that this is the alpha version or the alpha release, which is the first version of the app. So we are working on this app for the last 1 year. We are getting all the market data from the National Stock Exchange. We're also getting fundamental data. We are also using Gemini and Chat GPT to do a lot of position sizing calculations, a lot of news comprehensions. So a lot of these features will be launched in a phased manner. Today we are releasing on the occasion of Independence Day. So I would just wish happy Independence Day to all of you. And I feel and I hope, in the entire team at Stockwiz, we all hope that this app can make you financially independent. At least we will do our bit by giving you the right research, empowering you with the right technology, and surrounding you with the like-minded traders so that you can achieve your goals. So that's the simple objective of this application. And now I will tell you what exactly have we got. So in the first version, the alpha version, there are some features that I want to talk about. And in the next 15 days, we will be releasing the beta version, which will have majority of the application features. So we are introducing one-click trading, meaning that a lot of these people who want to trade on other research ideas. So we understood one problem, that not everyone can be active in the markets forever, right? A lot of people are doing their jobs. A lot of people are working on some or the other thing. There are students, there are people who are entrepreneurs, they're building their own businesses. So हमने सोचा कि why can't we build a top class research team जो proprietary strategies को use करके they will give you the entire trading idea in this single tile, and we call this the Stryke tile at Stockwiz. So over here on this tile, you will get your trading signal or the research idea in a very specific format. Number one, you will see which script. So on the screen, you can see Nifty 50 if it's a 18 July call option with whatever strike price that we have given. You will see that on the tile, you will see the stop loss, the entry price, the current live price, and the target price all in a single line, which visually will depict what the trade idea is currently doing. How many of you wanted such a thing where you can actually see in a single view that I can see where my trade is currently at, how close it is to the stop loss, how close it is to the target, and this will be updated real time. The second thing is you will see the potential profit per lot or potential profit in terms of potential returns if it's an equity trade. You will know the stop loss, you will know the target. And now guess what? When you click on trade now, if your onboarding is done, your order is going to get executed in less than 0.5 seconds. Can I have fire in the chat? I repeat, if you have set up the entire app customized for you, meaning you have set up your risk appetite, you have set up your capital, you can long press this button for literally half a second and the trade automatically gets executed. So you can execute your entry, stop loss, and target orders all in one single click. How many of you faced this problem of not being able to put the stop loss or the target order just because there were too many steps involved? And that is actually very harmful for your trading account. So what we have done is all three legs, entry, stop loss, target, all three gets executed in a single click. And most important, I think Stockwiz has always been an advocate of risk management, and I think I've been very vocal about risk management being your only edge. If you are from Stockwiz, can I have a yes in the chat? That risk management and position sizing is the single biggest edge that you will ever have in the market. And I saw after interacting with over 1 lakh traders in the country over these last 4-5 years, nobody was following risk management properly. So we got an inbuilt risk manager for all of you, meaning you can set your trading capital, you can set your per trade risk. It could be 0.25% of your capital, it could be 0.5% of your capital, it could be 1% of your capital, it could be 2% of your capital, and this will stay standardized, meaning you don't have to do it every single time you punch a trade. You do it once and the app will remember your preferences. And accordingly, the quantity that you will buy or sell gets automatically calculated. You also get your potential profit or your potential risk in a single dashboard. So I would like to take the opportunity and I will directly go to the prototype version of the app to kind of showcase what exactly do I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to take you to one simple thing. All right, so just give me a minute and I'll now take you to the screen. Let me know if my new screen is visible to all of you. Can I have a yes? क्या आप लोगों को मेरा नया स्क्रीन दिख रहा है? ये एक्चुअल ऐप का जो वर्जन है that is live. Okay, so different analysts post with different risk. Okay, I will come to that on how that will be done, right? So now what you do is you're there on the application, you click on connect your broker, and once you connect your broker, you can create a free Stockwiz X Dhan account by clicking on either connect now or create a free account. Both of these things work. And for you to use the application free for lifetime, you need to have a Stockwiz X Dhan account. Now I have got millions of queries. I already have a Dhan account. How can I link it? You can. The team will be sharing the process for that, right? So the app is, by the way, live on App Store and Play Store. So you can download the app. If you are already a Stockwiz lifetime member, the app features will automatically unlock for you. And we are releasing a couple of features which are still pending. There will be another release posted by midnight today so that tomorrow in the morning we can start trading using the application, right? Okay. So now once your broker is connected, you are going to see signals like this. You can explore all the signals that are currently live, and once you click on trade now, this is the screen that I'm talking about. You will automatically have your product type selected by default, your order type is selected by default, stop loss target automatically placed. You can adjust your trading capital if you want to. And if you want, you can also adjust your per trade risk, whether it's 0.75%, 1%, 2%, 3%, right? For all of those who had already downloaded, you need to update the app to get the latest version. The app will automatically calculate your potential profit, and once you click on buy, it will automatically execute your trade. Apart from that, whichever active trades are currently ongoing, you can have a look at all of them so that you can study which all trades were taken, and you can also see the chart that the analyst is posting, which will give you the reason to take the trade. Along with that, we've got the watch list section, which is one of the most important sections for traders like you. So you will get all the stocks on the watch list, and once you click on view chart, the chart will also be opened up. You will also get buzzing stocks. You will get AI powered news information directly on the application. Apart from that, you are also going to be able to see your entire portfolio, whether it's your holdings. You will see your own verified PNL. So yes, Stockwiz will have its own verified PNL. So whatever positions that we are tracking, we can directly fetch all this data for you. So if app is asking a passcode, you have to update it, my friend, right? So just update it and then everything will be fine. So that's the inbuilt risk manager. Now, the third and one of the most powerful things that we have got for you is the artificial intelligence powered news catalyst. So how many of you faced this problem of not knowing why stocks are moving? So for all of you who are trying to connect your account, I can see the stream, I can see the chat. I would request you to wait for the latest update, which will be coming in a few minutes. We will be updating all of you, and then all the features of the app will be running. Right now, you can do your onboarding, you can do your customer profiling, you can tell the app what risk do you want to take. So your profiling can be done. Your broker account will be getting connected with the latest release, which will probably be live in the next 30 minutes. I request you to be a little patient, right? Username is just like your Instagram username. You can create a unique username for your Stockwiz application. Mohammed Hadis, passcode is an old version of the app. You can just go to Apple App Store or Google Play Store to update the application. You do that and you get inside this. All right. So now, how many of you always had an issue with news? So many sources, long articles. We don't really know why a stock is moving. Can I have a yes in the chat? And I think for all the traders who are at Stockwiz, we know the power of catalysts, right? We know the power of catalysts. We know what an earnings report can do to a stock. We know what price hikes can do to a stock. We know if there is huge surge in demand, what can happen. So imagine you getting all of that news when it breaks first, meaning we have cracked the news by combining two AI softwares along with our news partners to get you the most important news as soon as the public release by the company is done. So that's going to be another very, very powerful thing. So it'll tell you what stock is moving, why is it moving, it's bullish, is it bearish, and that will solve a lot of your issues as well. Then, as I said, we focused on lightning fast trade executions, meaning that we wanted to support all the order types. So, how many of you always face this problem when you are swing trading, that you have to always place a stop loss order every day? How many of you faced this problem? That if you take up a swing trade, आप बार बार हर दिन stop loss place करने नहीं आते, and a lot of times you actually don't even put a stop loss order. So there are people who use forever orders. We have embedded and integrated forever orders within the application. मतलब जब आप एक swing trade लोगे तो आपका stop loss और target order same day पर punch हो जाएगा जब तक वो execute नहीं होता. So that will also be something very, very exciting for all of you. Now, in the first version, we are basically focused on one simple objective: get the users to execute their trades in the fastest possible manner. And there's one more revolutionary thing that I think we will be able to crack. Earlier, when we were giving our research recommendations, we used to take at least 1 minute to post the trade idea. It used to take another 30 seconds for the idea to go to Discord, and then it maybe took another 1 minute for you to execute the trade. How many of you agree that this was the cycle? I give you a trading idea that this looks good, this is the entry, this is the stop loss, this is the target, and by the time it comes on to Discord, and then you see it, then you open your broker account, then you search the stock, and then you enter your position sizing, it all is too fast. What if all of this can happen in less than 30 seconds? And that is what we're bringing to the table. So the analysts at Stockwiz can punch a trade idea in less than 15 seconds, and you can execute that trade in the next 2 seconds. And that makes the speed of execution 500% faster than what it was in the traditional Telegram or Discord way. And I think that is something which will be highly appreciated for all active users. And this will also improve the prices at which you are entering, the profit or the losses that you are basically getting. So that is the crux of what we have. So we have released the core 3 features on the application, and another one is your order preference, which is AI assisted. That means that you can just define your stop loss and your target. Whatever orders need to be placed, the application will do it itself. You will be able to choose the trading styles and the analysts in the second version. Right now, you just have to select the trade idea. You will see the chart, and you can then execute in a single click. Kushal, the second version, which is going to be the beta version, is where we will get fully automatic trading. So right now, you will still have to click on trade. Although this is only a one-click, one-tap trading that we are enabling for you. So right now, earlier what you used to do is you used to have multiple clicks to execute a trade. You used to open Discord, that's one click. You used to see the trade idea, that's the second click. Then you used to go back to your home screen, third click. Then you used to go back to your broker, fourth click. Then you search the stock, that's the fifth click. You go and select the type of order, that's the sixth click. And the seventh click is when you enter your quantity. And the last and the final, which is the eighth click, is where you punch the buy button. How many of you agree these are the 8 or 9 clicks that you will always have to do if you have to execute a trade idea? Yes or no? So these 8 clicks can get reduced to a single click. That is what we have achieved right now. And in the next 15 days, by September 1st, this one click will also vanish away. We are going to introduce biometric face ID authorization, where you can decide the strategy. Let's say it's order blocks, let's say it's VCP, let's say it's breakout, let's say it's option selling, or let's say it's option scalping. You can just show your face ID once every day. I repeat, once every 24 hours, show your face ID, and the app will automatically execute all the trades. That is what we are going to get in the next 15 days in the beta version. And then around Diwali is where we'll have the full rollout of the application, where you will be able to invest in multi-bagger stocks for long term. You can have active churning and management of your existing portfolios. You will be able to automate all the option selling strategies. You will also be able to automate commodity trading, and we will get India's best traders in their respective verticals on board on the application. So until Diwali, which is the next 4 months, every single week we will be coming out with an update, with a new feature, so that by the end of the next 3 months, you will be using one of the most powerful trading platforms in the country. That's what I hope, and that's what we believe we are trying to build. I would also like to give you a little sneak peek of what we have in store for the next version of the application. And I'll again go to the design screen, where I would want to show you what exactly will you get. So I hope my screen is again visible to all of you. So the markets section is what we will be unlocking in the next week. Can you all tell me if the markets section of the app is visible to all of you? Can I have a yes? So right now the market section is disabled because we are doing some final round of testing, right? And now you will be able to not only see the heat map of what stock is doing bullish action or bearish action, not only from the mainstream indices, but all sectoral indices. You will also be getting an advanced decline market breadth real-time analysis. You will also be able to see all the sectors, what all sectors are doing what. Okay, so how many of you struggled with this? Can I have a yes? आप में से कितने लोगों ने struggle किया है just to know which sector is strong today? Can I have a yes? Which sector is really doing well? I am not able to figure out. So what we've done is we have mapped out the entire universe, and then we've jotted down into small sectors and subsectors. Meaning, if you click on banking, you will not only get neo banks, meaning the banks which are new, you will also get all PSU banks, all private banks, all NBFCs together. You will see how much percentage of these stocks are bullish, how many of them are bearish, and you will also see the advanced decline number. And once you click on explore, you will directly be able to see the heat map in one single click. Can I have a fire in the chat for this feature, which is releasing next week? So this is again something that I struggled in my entire trading career. I didn't know which stocks are moving. I had to manually kind of scroll through things. You can also see all bullish or bearish sectors. So within agriculture, what are the top stocks which are gainers? Within, let's say, any other theme, which are the gainers or losers? You will get all of that in a single click. So that's one feature that we'll be releasing in the next release. You can also see all the markets. So now one more important thing. How many of you struggle to see what are the stocks which outperformed in the last 7 days? What you can do is you can go to top gainers, click on one day. So you get all the gainers on a daily basis. You can select 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year. Along with that, you can select between indices, and you can also select between different sectors. All of that can be done from this markets module. Apart from that, the FNO module will be releasing in the month of September. So that's one more thing that we will be launching for you. And apart from that, we also will be getting something really interesting. So as I said, you can do your entire profiling, meaning that if you are a user, you can complete your entire profiling, meaning you can tell us what exactly is my risk appetite. I can, you can tell me what exactly, whether you are a risk taker, whether you are a defensive trader. So all of that, what would you do if the market goes up by 25%? What would you do if the market goes down by 25%? The app also asks you, where are you currently investing? And then the app will basically onboard you and start your entire journey. You will get the entire tutorial on what all is possible with the application, how to use these trade ideas and signals, how to use the action button. Now, one very interesting feature I would like to tell you: whenever you have executed a trade and there is a trailing stop loss, how many of you trail your stop losses? Can I have a yes in the chat? आप में से कितने लोग स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करते हैं, टारगेट बदलते रहते हैं बार बार? तो अब बार बार ऑर्डर एडिट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू विल नॉट गेट a lot of options to you don't have to go to the broker and edit. The app will automatically recommend you that you need to take an action. And when you click on that action, you don't even care on what action was supposed to be taken. The app will do it itself. So if you want to update your trailing stop loss, the analyst indicates that the stop loss is trailed to cost. Click on take action, your job is done. You don't even have to open up the position, click on edit orders and do all of that jazz. As I said to everyone, you will not be able to connect your account today. Today by midnight, we will be issuing another release where your account will be connected, because today was a market holiday. There were some things that we were not able to fetch directly from the NSE. Right? The app will come on the web version and on the iPads at least in 1 quarter from today. And as I said, we will also be bringing all the FNO, the futures and options module, to you, which will basically give you all the, things that you need as an, as a FNO trader. So all of this is what we have in store for you for the first 2 versions. That's the roadmap that I had given you. That is exactly what we are planning to bring, and we hope that the next entire year we are going to keep adding more features and benefits so that we can supercharge your trading, and so that you can keep having a lot of strikes in your life. Okay, Sahil, you can connect. You can go to the Stockwiz website and do it. Okay, so now I'll just go through questions. I am not able to log in. I'm already an existing member. Okay, maybe you have signed up with a different number. You can reach out to customer care and they will help you out. How will I know whether my existing Dhan account is linked to Stockwiz? Kalyan Vadlamani, if you have filled up the form, we will do the rest. आपको जो community में form आया था, वो form fill कर दो, we will do the rest. All right, web version will take some time. Jay Chug, आपको app update करना पड़ेगा. All right. Harsh, the reason we are not connecting a lot of other brokers is because of the speed, and the entire application is built on top of Dhan. Dhan is our official trading partner, so that's why we are doing this. Apart from that, Friday is the first day where the app will be live in the market hours. We still advise you to start trading from Monday. On Friday, we will be doing active testing with all the active users of our community. And from Monday, you can use the app full-fledged for every single thing that you want to do. So through this application, what we want to achieve is we want to level up retail traders. And we are also going to be bringing smart money concepts scanner. That means you'll be able to scan fair value gaps. So all fair value gaps in the entire stock market will be visible to you on a single page. Will that be powerful? All order blocks, all VCPs in the entire market in a single list. That is really empowering you to take not only your own decisions, but also to leverage on other people's research who are professionals in this. So that's what we're trying to achieve. Thank you so much for attending this, and I would really like you to download the app. As I said, this is the alpha version. This is my first time, my entire team's first time into tech. Technology is all for the big boys. We're not funded. We're doing all this by ourselves. So we just need your support, feedback on how we can make it better. And we are going to be competing against a lot of people who are funded, have a lot of money in the bag. have a lot of tech expertise, but what we have done is we've given you an app built for traders by traders and will be disrupted for traders. So thank you so much for being a part of this event and listening to me. जो updates हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं, all the features that we will be bringing in the next weeks to come. So what's the name of the app? Just search Stockwiz Trading and Investing. You will do that. Yes, you can refer people. There's a big referral program that will come in. And there will be a wallet feature. Okay, so a lot of people are asking me, can I add funds on the app? In the next week, we will be coming out with a release. आप अपने funds add or withdraw दोनों कर पाओगे straight from the app. You don't even need to go to your broker. You can add funds and withdraw funds from the app. Unable to collect done. Sri Rama, wait for midnight today. Due to market holiday, we are not able to publish a release, which is having a issue with the connection with the broker. You can download the app, complete your onboarding. By tomorrow morning, your broker will get connected. All right. My membership is not reflecting. For all of those whose membership is not reflecting, you can drop a message on this number on WhatsApp and you can directly do it. What signals from the analyst automatically updated? So you can select based on the different creators, different strategies. And as I said, we are going to bring more people to this equation. So there you will see who is the publisher of this signal, so you can do that as well. You can refer people, Siddharth. Just reach out to the number that I just messaged you on the chat, and you can definitely avail the referral bonuses. All right. Okay. Can non-members can sign up? It is currently members only. You can buy the Stockwiz membership and then become a member. Paper trading is banned by the NSE, unfortunately. So paper trading won't be possible, but you will be able to see all the results of the application. And when beta version is coming, Pranav, 1st of September is the beta launch. This is the alpha release. And I know there could be some bugs, there could be some challenges, but I think this is the start of something very big. And I really thank all of you, and I really thank the entire team, Stockwiz, who helped us build this. I know this could be a very small app for the Zerodas of the world, or the Grow or the Dhans of the world, maybe Upstocks of the world. But this is the start of really building a trading product which really adds value, saves a lot of money for traders, manages risk efficiently, and gives you access to all the data that matters. So this is Stockwiz for you, and I hope the next entire year we keep getting new updates, all from a tech perspective, so that we empower you with the things that are not accessible to all retail traders. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody. And I will now be ending the stream. And thank you so much for tuning in. Any questions about the app, any errors that you face, you can write us to on help@stockwiz.in. You can also call on this number 8949800532. That's the helpline number. My Dhan account is a different number, no problem. It says to buy the membership. See, right now the app is free for lifetime. For all the lifetime members, whoever is our lifetime member, you get the app access for lifetime. There will be no charges whatsoever. And for all of you who have the Dhan and Stockwiz linked accounts, you will also get a 50%, up to 50% discount on your brokerage. So if you do not have a Dhan X Stockwiz account, I will drop the link in the chat. So the link I'll post, so you can basically use that link, create your account, and then avail all of these benefits. I think that's going to be super powerful for all of you. All right, I'll just double check if everything is fine. Just give me a minute. I will just check one simple thing. Okay, some people are saying, okay, one sec. All right, I can see this. Perfect. All right. Moment. You can drop all of your questions, definitely, absolutely. So I'll just drop the link to open the account in the chat. Okay, just give me a minute. One sec. Not able to connect broker. As I said, Snehil Tripathi, you will be able to connect your broker. You will be able to connect your broker by midnight. Since there is an update, you're not able to really do that, right? Just give me a minute. All right, just give me a minute. I'll just drop the link in the chat. So now that's the link in the chat for you, right? I will pin it. And once you create an account, you get free access to the application, provided you're a member. How can I select the trade that I have to take? Means I can take every trade that you have given Discord. Ganik Singla, in 15 days, the app will completely automate every single trade that you punch into the system. So you can tell the app that I don't want to take options, I don't want to take futures, I only want to take intraday, I only want to take swing trades. So every single thing. नित्या गंगानी, अपडेट दी ऐप, पासकोड नहीं मांगेगा आपसे, आप ऐप अपडेट कर दो. Add a page later that shows your taxes and the amount to be filed based on the PNL. Robin, feedback accepted. We'll definitely do that. All right, I'm a member, but it's asking me to buy now. Anyone who is a member, you will automatically get the access. Like, you just have to write your mobile number, enter into the application, everything in the app will open. No, not a problem. Sri Rama Murthy, not a problem. Why am I being asked? Okay, Binil. Okay, so all the members who are not getting access to the application, just drop a message to this number. The team will do. Rajneesh, you might have purchased from a different number. That is the reason the app is not showing you the access. Don't worry. We will provide you the access from the backend, right? So you can reach out to the customer support team for all your queries. Dr. Ramol, we will be sharing on Discord a simple link to link your account. It's like a community form. Fill that form and we'll do the rest. Okay, so many questions. East या West Office the best? Okay, I really like this. ऐप में कितने अकाउंट रख सकते हैं? राजू पुरोहित, अभी ऐप में एक अकाउंट रख सकते हैं हम. बाय द नेक्स्ट 2 months मल्टीपल अकाउंट कनेक्ट करने का भी फीचर ले आएंगे. All right. Okay. Sir, I just want a catalyst feature. Want to trade myself. You can trade yourself also. You can directly trade yourself also. Like, you can go to the stock that you want to trade. The app will tell you is stock का कब earnings है, क्या catalyst आया है stock के बारे में, is the sector bullish or bearish, and you can then directly execute your trade. Can we change the account later? Yes, you can. Okay, what's the membership costing as of now? So the membership so there is a Independence Day sale going on, so you can get it at a 30% discount. You can visit the website or give us a call or chat with us on WhatsApp, and the team will share that with you. Will the app provide contacts of straddles or some coke? What? Okay, I don't know what is this written. Okay, research analyst trading idea possible to fully automated? Yes, 15 days, and that's what we are getting for you all. Fully automated system. Zerodha is not supported right now. Forex, so sorry, Pragadish. Forex is illegal in India. Can't really do that. All right. अंकित, अगर आपको अपडेट ऐप स्टोर पे नहीं दिख रहा है, मतलब आपका ऐप ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड है, राइट? All right, for any other community callouts will be available. Yes, it will be available. Hey, I think he is this guy, Patta Gobi, if I'm not wrong. All right, if my link to stock is no, Yogesh, you don't need to do anything. आपको एक फॉर्म भरना है, वो फॉर्म मैं डिस्कॉर्ड पे भिजवा दूंगा. आपने एक बार वो कर दिया तो लिंक हम अपने आप करवा देंगे, right? Got it. All right, in future, yes, future options will come in the next 15 days. Yes, sir. Features regarding buyback, IPO, mutual funds. See, that's something that we're not targeting right now. We are only focusing in making things simple for an active trader. So, abhi mutual funds mein nahi ja rahe. Maybe later, if we can solve something. Okay. Ganik, the app will automatically position size in a way that you're able to take the trades. All right. That is the reason why position sizing is also done on the app. Rohit, you can do it within the app. So if you're a member, you will see all my trades and at a single place which stocks I am targeting, and you will get a bundle. You can just enable all the trades and you will automatically take those trades, right? Whichever trades I'm planning to take or whichever trades I feel there's going to be something happening in there, you will be able to do that. Maximum and minimum capital, there is no minimum or maximum capital rules right now. You can do the buy sell executions yourself also. There are three ways. One is completely manual, second is semi-automatic, and the third is fully automatic. Currently, we have only released manual and semi-automatic trading. In the next 15 days, we will release fully automatic trading. Absolutely, yes. Taxes तो भाई मेरे पास नहीं आते, तो taxes तो you'll have to pay to the government. Absolutely, yes. Yes, the watch list access, even right now, if you go to the application, you will see the watch list for tomorrow updated on the app. Discord will be operational. There will be no changes. We will slowly pivot to the application in the next 15 days completely from Discord. So Discord पे भी trading ideas मिलेंगे आपको, but app पे भी मिलेंगे, तो आप app से one click में execute कर पाओगे. App link for Android in description is wrong. Okay, we will just fix that. So sorry about that. All right. Okay, so many questions. I'm seeing what is the name of the exact app for iPhone. Just write Stockwiz Trading and Investing. You will see the link over here as well. Discord live chalega. Yes, chalega. App name is Stockwiz Trading and Investing. All right. So one feedback. Can you show gross level and net level PNL both? Absolutely, yes. So I'll just take your feedback. We'll show gross and net level PNL for both futures options and for equity segment. All right. Okay. So what is semi-automatic? Semi-automatic, Rahul, it means that आपका entry stop loss target सब कुछ predefined होगा. आपको बस trade now पे click करना है. आपको 5-6 click नहीं करने, आपको सिर्फ एक click करना है, सब कुछ execute हो जाएगा. इसमें आपका target भी automatically execute हो जाएगा. अगर trail stop loss किया है वो भी execute हो जाएगा. सब कुछ automatically manage हो जाएगा. Semi-automatic का मतलब है आपको approve करना पड़ेगा trade idea को, कि ये trade idea मेरे को approve करना है, हाँ मेरे को लेना है. ये आपको बता देगा आपका potential risk कितना है, potential reward कितना है. If it fits into your risk reward system, click on trade now. 1 second trade gets executed. We will also be using some momentum EMA strategies. We'll also be using a lot of other strategies apart from order blocks, fair value gaps, the OTE. You'll also be getting base over base Darvas boxes. You will get pocket pivots, all of those strategies. For all community members, I will take a detailed session on the app where I show you how everything is executed. So don't. ट्रेडिंग जर्नल अभी ऐप में नहीं है, बट जो थर्ड वर्जन आएगा उसमें आपको सारे स्टैटिस्टिक्स, व्हाट्स योर एवरेज विन रेट, हाउ डू यू परफॉर्म व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग लॉन्ग ट्रेड्स, हाउ डू यू परफॉर्म व्हेन यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑप्शंस, हाउ डू यू परफॉर्म ऑन एक्सपायरी डेज, सारा डेटा यू विल गेट ऑन द एप्लीकेशन. We are also going to go step by step. तो हम next version में futures and options लेके आएंगे, फिर उसके next version में fully automatic trading लेके आएंगे, and every 2 weeks we'll come out with new updates, right? Okay. Mehdi Syed, don't worry, contact the customer support team. App UI is fabulous. All right. Live news. Rajat, live news is, as I said today, the markets were closed, so we were not getting the exact input data. Minor glitches are there. By midnight, all of these will be fixed. Don't worry. ऑलराइट, ट्रेड्स विज की भी नहीं जरूरत पड़ेगी. नहीं, आपको ऐप में ही सब, और बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि आपको जर्नल में वो भरना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, ऑटोमेटिकली जर्नल भी हो जाएगा. All right. Okay, just give me a minute. Will there be small bugs in the see, every app in its initial phase might have some glitches or bugs, and that's the reason I'm saying start trading and start using the app from Monday. कल आप टेस्ट कर सकते हो सारी चीजें, हमें फीडबैक दे सकते हो, and Monday onwards we'll have it production ready, meaning you will be able to execute full-fledged every single thing. सब चीज perfectly होगा. नीलेश जवेरी, प्लीज अपडेट दी ऐप, पासकोड नहीं मांगेगा. ऐप आप प्ले स्टोर और ऐप स्टोर पे स्टॉकविज लिख दीजिए, आपको मिल जाएगा. कैन वी पंच आवर ओन ट्रेड्स टू? यस. स्लिपेज परसेंटेज, अच्छा स्लिपेज को हमने कंप्लीटली एलिमिनेट कर दिया है. अगर स्टॉक आपके बाइंग रेंज में नहीं है तो यहां पर स्टेटस एंट्री मिस्ड दिखा देगा, एंड इट विल नॉट एग्जीक्यूट योर ट्रेड. Only when the stock or the index or the option is in the buying range, only then the orders will get executed. International subscribers, sir, it's still showing +91 as default. Okay, Hansal, I will tell it to the team for international users. What's the way forward? Can I set my total trading capital and per trade capital separately? Yes, you can. The same idea will be displayed on app and Discord. The trading ideas will come to the application first, Discord later. Can you share the form in Discord? Yes, I will do that. Discord बंद नहीं होगा, trading activity यहाँ पर ज़्यादा होगी, ठीक है? All right. Perfect. Okay. So thank you so much. I think we're now going to be shutting down the live stream because now we have to go back to the drawing board, make those changes in the application, and listen to all of your queries. I really love all of you, and a sincere thanks to the entire Stockwiz team who was behind, releasing the first version. A lot of trial and error, a lot of research, a lot of ups and downs. And a really very big thank you to the entire community for showing up over here. I will forever be indebted to the entire support that you have given, and I promise and I guarantee we will keep innovating and we will keep giving you all of these things for free because you trusted us when we were building and when we were just starting off. And if there are any developers who are currently in the live stream, please email us or email me on parang@stockwiz.in, and I would really be very, very delighted to have a conversation with you. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. That's it from my side and the entire Stockwiz team. We wish all of you a very, very happy Independence Day once again. And I hope you would like the app. I would really take up constructive feedback from you in changes that we can make and how we can make the app better. This is just the start. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm ending the stream now. I really appreciate you being here. Take care. Bye-bye. And we'll see each other in the second version, which is the beta version. And till then, take care, bye-bye, and good night.